Denmark is a country located in northern Europe, bordered by Germany to the south. The country is comprised of the Jutland Peninsula and several islands, including Zealand, Funen, and Bornholm. The capital city of Denmark is Copenhagen, which is located on the eastern coast of Zealand. Geography and climate. Denmark is a small country with a total area of approximately 42,930 square kilometers. The country is relatively flat, with rolling hills and a few higher points, the highest being Gilleleje, which is only 170 meters high. The country's coastline is approximately 7,300 kilometers long and is dotted with many islands, inlets, and bays. The climate in Denmark is temperate, with mild winters and cool summers. History. Denmark has a rich history dating back to prehistoric times. The first written records of Denmark date back to the 8th century when Viking explorers set out to discover new lands. Denmark was a significant player in the Viking Age, with the Vikings building settlements in England, Iceland, Greenland, and even North America. In the 11th century, Denmark became a Christian country, and a powerful monarchy was established. During the Middle Ages, Denmark was a major power in Northern Europe, with its territories extending from Norway to parts of present-day Germany. In the 16th century, the Protestant Reformation swept across Denmark, and the country became Lutheran. In the 19th century, Denmark began to modernize and industrialize, and the country became one of the wealthiest in Europe. However, Denmark was occupied by Nazi Germany during World War II, and many Danes fought against the occupation. After the war, Denmark became a founding member of NATO and the European Union. Population and people. Denmark has a population of approximately 5.8 million people. The population is predominantly Danish, with small minority groups of immigrants and descendants of immigrants. Danish is the official language, and English is widely spoken. Denmark has a reputation for being a welcoming and inclusive country, with strong social welfare programs and a high standard of living. The country is known for its progressive policies, including free healthcare, education, and a generous social safety net. Danes are also known for their emphasis on work-life balance and their love of hygge, a Danish concept that translates to a cozy, comfortable feeling. Income sources. Denmark has a mixed economy with a strong focus on service industries such as healthcare, education, and finance. The country is also a major exporter of agricultural products, including pork, dairy products, and fish. In recent years, Denmark has been focusing on renewable energy and has become a world leader in wind energy production. Denmark food. Denmark is known for its food culture, which emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients and traditional cooking methods. Danish cuisine is often characterized as simple, wholesome, and hearty. One of Denmark's most famous dishes is smørrebrød, an open-faced sandwich typically made with rye bread and topped with a variety of meats, fish, cheeses, and vegetables. Danish pastries are also popular around the world, with their flaky, buttery texture and sweet fillings. Denmark is also known for its beer culture, with many small breweries producing high-quality craft beers. The country has a long history of brewing beer, dating back to the Viking Age. Tourism. Denmark is a popular destination for tourists, with its picturesque towns, historic landmarks, and scenic countryside. The country's capital, Copenhagen, is a vibrant city with a rich cultural heritage, including world-class museums, art galleries, and theaters. Some of Denmark's top tourist attractions include the Tivoli Gardens amusement park, the historic town of Roskilde, and the stunning beaches of the Jutland Peninsula and the Danish islands. Denmark is also home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Kronborg Castle, which inspired Shakespeare's Hamlet, and the Jelling mounds, which are important Viking Age burial mounds. In addition to its cultural and historic attractions, Denmark is also known for its natural beauty. The country has many forests, lakes, and rivers, as well as beautiful beaches along its long coastline. Denmark's Wadden Sea National Park, located on the west coast of Jutland, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular destination for birdwatchers and nature lovers. Overall, Denmark is a small but fascinating country with a rich history, a welcoming and inclusive culture, and a strong focus on sustainability and innovation. Whether you're interested in history, culture, nature, or just enjoying good food and beer, Denmark has something to offer every visitor. Top 20 destinations to visit in Denmark. 1. Copenhagen is a bustling city and the capital of Denmark. It is known for its colorful buildings, canals, and historic landmarks. One of the city's most famous attractions is the Tivoli Gardens, which is an amusement park that dates back to 1843. The park has many rides, gardens, and restaurants, and is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. Another popular landmark is the Little Mermaid statue, which is based on the fairytale by Hans Christian Andersen. The statue is located on a rock by the harbor and is a symbol of the city. 2. Aarhus is Denmark's second-largest city and is known for its many museums, galleries, and cultural attractions. The Aarhus Art Museum is one of the city's most famous museums and is known for its modern art collection. The museum also features a large rainbow-colored walkway on its roof, which provides stunning views of the city. The Mosgaard Museum is another popular attraction and is known for its exhibitions related to Danish history and culture. 3. Skagen is a picturesque coastal town located in the northernmost part of Denmark. It is known for its beautiful beaches, sand dunes, and vibrant art scene. Many artists have been inspired by Skagen's unique light and landscapes, and the town has a long history of art and culture. Visitors can explore the town's many galleries, museums, and studios, or enjoy a day at the beach. 4. Ribe is Denmark's oldest town and is located on the west coast of Jutland. The town features many well-preserved medieval buildings, churches, and museums, and is known for its rich history and culture. Visitors can explore Ribe Cathedral, which is one of Denmark's oldest churches, or visit the Ribe Viking Center, which features exhibitions and events related to the region's Viking history. 5. Roskilde is a former Viking capital and is located on the island of Zealand. The town is home to the impressive Roskilde Cathedral, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is known for its Gothic architecture and many royal tombs. The town is also home to the Viking Ship Museum, which features many well-preserved Viking ships and exhibitions related to Viking history and culture. 6. Odense is a charming town located on the island of Funen and is known as the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen. The town features many museums and attractions related to the famous author, including the Hans Christian Andersen Museum and the Odense City Museums. Visitors can explore the town's many historic buildings and attractions, or enjoy a day at one of its many parks or gardens. 7. Legoland Billund is a popular amusement park that features many attractions and rides based on the iconic Lego building blocks. The park is located in the town of Billund, which is also the birthplace of the Lego company. Visitors can explore the park's many themed areas, including Miniland, which features many famous landmarks from around the world, built entirely out of Lego bricks. 8. MN is an island located in the Baltic Sea and is known for its stunning natural landscapes. The island features many beautiful beaches, forests, and cliffs, including the MNS Klint Cliffs, which are a popular destination for hikers and nature lovers. The island is also home to the Njord Wetlands, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and are known for its unique plant and animal life. 9. Christians is a small island located in the Baltic Sea and is home to a historic fortress. The island is a popular destination for visitors who want to enjoy stunning views of the surrounding sea, and explore the island's many historic landmarks. 10. Kronborg Castle is an impressive castle located in Helsinge and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The castle is famous for inspiring Shakespeare's Hamlet and features many impressive rooms and halls, as well as a large courtyard and gardens. Visitors can explore the castle's many exhibitions, which showcase its history and culture, or take a guided tour of the castle's many chambers and halls. 11. Aalborg is a lively city in northern Denmark that is known for its many cultural events. The Aalborg Carnival is one of the largest in Scandinavia and features colorful parades, music, and dancing. The Aalborg Regatta is another popular event, which attracts sailors and rowers from all over the world. The city is also home to many museums, galleries, and cultural attractions, including the Aalborg Historical Museum and the Utzon Center, which showcases the work of famous architect J.R.N. Utzon. 12. Egeskov Castle is a well-preserved castle located on the island of Funen. The castle dates back to the 16th century and is surrounded by beautiful gardens, which include a maze and a topiary garden. Visitors can explore the castle's many exhibitions, which showcase its history and culture, or take a guided tour of the castle's many rooms and halls. 13. Djurs Sommerland is a popular amusement park located in Jutland. The park features many attractions and rides for visitors of all ages, including roller coasters, water rides, and family-friendly attractions. There are also many restaurants and cafes located throughout the park, as well as gift shops and other amenities. 14. Jelling is a historic town located in Jutland. The town is home to the Jelling mounds, which are important Viking Age burial mounds and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The mounds are located in a park-like setting and are surrounded by many other historic landmarks, including the Jelling stones and the Jelling church. 15. Bornholm is a picturesque island located in the Baltic Sea. The island is known for its beautiful beaches, forests, and historic landmarks, including the Hammershoes Castle ruins and the Bornholm Art Museum. Visitors can also explore the island's many hiking and biking trails, or simply relax and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. 16. Gilleleje is a charming coastal town located in northern Zealand. The town is a popular summer destination and features many cafes, restaurants, and shops. Visitors can explore the town's historic harbour, which is still used by local fishermen, or take a stroll along the beautiful beachfront. 17. The Faroe Islands are an autonomous territory of Denmark that is known for its stunning natural landscapes. The islands are located in the North Atlantic and are characterized by rugged coastlines, fjords, and waterfalls. Visitors can explore the island's many hiking trails and bird-watching opportunities, or simply take in the beautiful scenery. 18. Himmelbjerget is a scenic hill located in Jutland. The hill offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside and is a popular spot for hiking and picnicking. There is also a monument located on the hill that commemorates the Danish Constitutional Assembly of 1849. 19. Sønderborg Castle is an impressive castle located in southern Denmark. The castle features exhibitions and events related to the region's history and culture, including the history of the castle itself. Visitors can explore the castle's many rooms and halls, or simply enjoy the beautiful surroundings. 20. National Park Wadden is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is a must-visit for nature lovers. The park features unique tidal flats, salt marshes, and bird habitats, and is home to many different species of wildlife. Visitors can explore the park's many hiking trails and bird-watching opportunities, or simply enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Interesting facts about Denmark. Denmark is one of the happiest countries in the world, according to the United Nations World Happiness Report. 1. Danish is the official language of Denmark, but most Danes also speak English fluently. 2. Denmark is known for its high-quality design and architecture, with many famous designers and architects hailing from the country. 3. The Danish flag, known as the Dannebrog, is the oldest flag in the world still in use by an independent nation. 4. Denmark is a small country, but it has a long and rich history dating back to the Viking Age. 5. Denmark is known for its social welfare system, which provides free healthcare, education, and other benefits to its citizens. 6. Denmark is home to many world-famous companies, including Lego, Carlsberg, and Bang & Amp, Olufsen. 7. The Little Mermaid statue in Copenhagen is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Denmark. 8. Denmark is a leader in renewable energy and has set a goal to be completely independent of fossil fuels by 2050. 9. Denmark is the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen, the famous author of fairy tales such as The Little Mermaid and The Ugly Duckling. Which city do you want next? Thanks for watching.